Okay, so I found this pressure washer in the trash, and it looks like the problem is right there. I don't know if you can see it, but the lower pump, that's where the wand would plug in, is broken off there. So I would need to replace that whole lower piece. I don't know if the camera's gonna get it, but those 3 bolts. Anyway, so I sprayed some starter fluid in it. It did start up, so it will run. I'm gonna drain the gas and burn the gas, put new gas in it, make sure I can get it started, and then I'll order that part. That part stock is, or OEM is about $90, and the knockoffs are about $50. I'm gonna get the real one. So the 2 front bolts are 10 millimeter. They take the entire carb off. You do have to be careful. There's a couple of gaskets, so just be aware of that. And then I'm draining the old fuel out here. It's nice, it has an on-off switch. And I'm gonna put new fuel in it, and the carb does have a drain at the bottom. I'm gonna take the bottom off and try to drain out the bowl, and hopefully that's all she needs. Okay, got the fuel out. It's like a orangey yellow color. That can't be good. Okay, I'm draining the bowl. I'm not gonna take it apart. I'm just gonna see if I can get away with just draining everything. And if I have to, I'll take the carb apart. Okay, I put it back together. It still wouldn't start. I took the carb apart. And this is why you can't leave ethanol gas in there, and that's why they have that cutoff switch. You should always cut your gas off and let your pressure washer run dry, or this is what it'll look like inside your carburetor. It needs to be cleaned up. Okay, once you remove the pin that holds the float in, you can take the float out. You just have to be careful. You can see the jet is connected right there in the bottom, and the jet, that's tough with one hand, but obviously the jet goes back down into the hole. Put the float back on. I tried to clean, as much as I could. I didn't run back in the house to get Q-tips. I use carburetor cleaner, and then I use a bread tie, and that's about it. And here's that pin I spoke of earlier that holds the float on. So I'm gonna put it all back together and give it another try. Okay, this is after the carb was cleaned. See what happens.